All right, welcome to this Power Apps Quickie. So in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about the Coalesce function. There are times when you pull data from your list or from Dataverse and you get a blank and it can look not too appealing in your application. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is showing you how to use the Coalesce to fix and to handle blanks and to replace them with default text or values that make sense. So let's go ahead and get started. So Coalesce basically is, think of it as a smart fallback helper. So what it does, it checks multiple values and returns the first one that's blank. So basically in plain English, if you're looking at this right here, it says, hey, give me the first value. And if it's blank, move on to the next one. And if this value is blank, move on to the next one until we get a value that isn't blank. And then that's what we're going to use. That's what that function is going to return. So let's go ahead and show you what I mean. So I have this collection. Let me show you the collection. So I have this collection here, it's ice cream. And some of these values are blank, right? So I'm going to show you how to use it. So we're going to come over here, and all we're going to do is come here. So basically, if this is blank, then I wanted to use the notes. There's a this item notes. So I can say something like Coalesce. Oops. This. Hold on. Okay, I'm messing up over here. Let's do that again. So Coalesce this item dot comment. And then we're going to say this item dot notes. Close. So it checks here first. It checks this comment first. And if it's blank, then it moves on to the next thing. And if that's blank, then it'll keep moving on. But so you can kind of have multiple chains. So I can also do this. Not available, right? So let's go and change. Let's manipulate some of this data here. So for this first one, see it's blank, and because the comment is blank, then it uses chocolate is our best seller. See, chocolate is our best seller. Now let's do this. Let's make this blank as well, and see what happens. So now what's going on is Coalesce will check if this is blank. If this is blank, it'll go to the next one. And then it'll use our default that we have. So let me come here and do this, run. And as you can see, it replaces it with not available. So again, Coalesce just returns the first non-blank value that it receives, that it gets. So it checks that this comment, and if that's blank, it goes to this notes, and if that's blank, it goes to not available, and that's why we have this here. So it's basically looking for a non-blank value, and that's what it returns. So I hope that makes sense. And I'll see you guys in the next Power Apps Quickie. Bye.